to make me something refreshing to drink. So I'm just going to squeeze some tangerines in there, a couple of tangerines with my water and my fruit mix. I don't want the, I just did 2. Put this in the fridge. Yes. Ooh, y'all see that? It's gonna be so good. I am a little hungry, and I think I'm gonna fry these chicken tenderloins. Get these little tendons out. Guys, my chicken is getting done. My fries, my cheese curds are done. And I'm just waiting for the chicken to get done so I can make me a plate because I'm hungry. Before I be hungry tasting all this good food. But yeah, y'all, it's almost, the new year is almost here, y'all. This year went by fast. It went by really fast. But I'm so excited for the new year. I'm so excited, y'all. You have no idea. Water off. So much is about to happen for me and my clan, my babies. And I'm ready for it. Hey guys, I am done cooking. All the food is done. And I am about to make my plate. I'm going to get 2 chicken strips. And 2 chicken strips. Some fries. Some fries. Few fries. And a few cheese curds. All right. And this is my plate. I got 2 strips, some fries, and some cheese curds. And I also got me a cup of tea. Y'all know I haven't been feeling well, but I had to push through to do this video. I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so I gotta eat. And yeah, this is dinner. This is dinner. Alright, I'm going to heat my food and get me some sauce. Hold on.